Can we learn English without going any classes, without coaching? So we all learner have this one common question. So today I'm going to share my journey, how I learn English by myself without joining any classes. So hello and welcome back to my channel English with Kavya. So friend, we don't want to or we don't have time to go and learn English in classes and even online or offline. So today I'll share my journey how I learn English through mobile phone and friend, I didn't join any coaching center or I didn't go any uh, classes. So whatever English I know uh, by using mobile phone. So yes, I can say mobile phone is my best teacher, and it taught me because it taught me how it taught me English. So that's why I'm saying mobile phone is my best teacher. So here I'll tell you what I did to learn English, right? So without wasting a time, let's start the video. So first thing I did was uh, daily use sentences, learning daily use sentences. As I always say in my every video, I always says learn daily use sentences. It helps to speak English naturally. When we learn English daily use sentences, we can use in our daily life. For example, if you don't know English how to speak, then you can learn daily use sentences and use them in while doing your work. For example, if you cook food, then you can, if you know daily use sentences, then you can use in your while cooking. Like I'm chopping vegetables, I will make this vegetable today. I'm chopping onions and I'm cutting tomatoes. So like this, you can use in your daily life, right? It helps to speak English naturally and fluently as well. Because when I started, I didn't know about anything about English. I didn't know daily use sentences, and even though I didn't know um, वेयर कहाँ जा रहे हैं उसको इंग्लिश में क्या कहते हैं. सो आई लर्न फ्रॉम ज़ीरो. सो use daily use sentences, and next I did listening and watching simple cartoon videos or simple English videos. Instead of watching um, I mean hard vocabulary English videos, hard English, I I watched and I used to watch simple cartoon videos. So you can also watch cartoon videos, simple cartoon videos. So there are many. You can choose anything, whatever you like. Then uh, I was doing daily use sentences. I was doing listening, watching, reading. But the most difficult part was for me. It was speaking, because we can do easily listening, watching, and reading, but speaking was very difficult for me. So I started speaking I started speaking by myself. So I took challenge. I took 1 minute challenge. Yeah, I didn't complete 1 minute. I didn't spoke uh, for 1 minute continuously, but I did continue. I mean, I did every day. Then 3 4 after 3 4 days, I spoke for 1 minute without stopping. So that was my biggest achievement. So I and we all say that I don't have partner with whom I do my speaking practice. I need a speaking partner. So friend, I don't think that you need a speaking partner, because you are the only one who can make yourself fluent. No one can make you fluent, right? So speak by yourself. So how you can speak by yourself? So first, record your voice. You have mobile phone, and So record your voice, speak whatever comes in your mind. Don't worry about your mistakes, right? So speak, record your voice, and after recording, listen where you have made mistake. And next, when you record your video next time, then fix your mistake. Try to fix your mistake, right? So record your voice and repeat after watching videos. So we watch videos, but we only watch, right? But we don't repeat. If you don't have partner, then after watching video you can repeat. So it's a kind of shadowing. So do shadowing. Shadowing technique is uh, best, right? So do shadowing. And one more thing what you can do is try to think in English. So do this every day. um, Record your voice, do shadowing, try to think in English, then you will be able to speak English fluently. But it will not happen overnight. You have to do every single day, even if it is 5 to 10 minutes, but speak every day and do these all things every single day, right? So that's how I learned English. And one more thing, learn new words daily. I mean, vocabulary is very important. Without vocabulary, how can we speak English, right? So, 3 to 5 words learn every day. So, it will help you to speak more naturally, and you will not stuck while speaking English. Because if you have enough vocabulary, then we don't stuck, right? So, do these all things, and you don't need to join any classes online or offline. So yes, these all things made me fluent in English. So I hope this video helped you. If it is, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe.